Hello and welcome to another video blog. My name is Chandrasekhar and today I'm going to discuss about the Tier 5 temporary work visa for United Kingdom. In this video, I will discuss about the eligibility requirements and how to apply and the documents required for the Tier 5 temporary work visa United Kingdom. Watch this video, you will understand and you will know everything you need to know about the Tier 5 visa. Most people will try to immigrate to United Kingdom, but only few people succeed. Some people do not have the proper information or the guidance to start their immigration journey, or some do not have the required qualifications or the English language. But don't worry, watch this video if you want to relocate to UK under the temporary work visa Tier 5. So I have designed this video in such a way, if you're watching this video, you'll understand everything about this visa. So stop wasting your time and relocate to UK under the Tier 5 temporary worker visa. There are many categories under this Tier 5 work visa, for temporary work visa. Most importantly, charity worker visa, religious worker visa, youth mobility scheme. So for the two below categories like charity worker visa and the religious worker visa, you don't need any specific qualifications or the English language test results. So charity worker visa, for those engaged in the unpaid charitable work, maximum visa duration length will be 12 months. And with this visa, you're allowed to support your family members to come and work with you or stay with you. And there is other visa that's called religious worker visa. For those involved in the religious worker, that is preaching or pastoral care. The maximum visa length of duration will be 2 years, and your family is permitted to enter the United Kingdom with you. And more importantly, for the Indian nationals, there's a program called Youth Mobility Scheme. You need level 6 qualification and 3 years of work experience in order to meet the eligibility criteria for this visa, and your age should be below 30. And you also need to provide health and character requirements like providing the PCC police clearance certificate and the medicals. So youth mobility scheme, for youth between the ages of 18 and 30, Indian citizens will be able to apply under the youth mobility scheme route, following the operations of the invitation to apply and also arrangements for the youth mobility scheme. So what are the eligibility requirements for Tier 5 temporary work visa? See, if you are applying for Tier 5 temporary work visa under religious worker or charity worker, the eligibility criteria is very simple and very easy. So first thing is, individuals who wish to visit the United Kingdom for the unpaid voluntary work like charity are required to obtain a certificate of sponsorship from a licensed employer, and you also need the certificate of sponsorship from the Tier 5 sponsor license holder, like licensed employer. And you also need to maintain some funds in your bank account, like £945 in your savings account to support yourself during your stay in visa. This sum must have been in your bank account for more than 90 days. That means roughly 3 months before the funds has to be in your account. If you're sponsored by an employer with an A rating who states on your certificate of sponsorship that they will certify your maintenance, you will need not to show any supporting bank statement because your employer will sponsor your stay. So each category of the temporary 5 work visa have unique eligibility requirements. So right now I have discussed about the eligibility requirements for the charity worker and the religious worker visa. For religious and charity worker, you don't need the English language, that's IELTS, or you don't need any qualifications. But for youth mobility scheme for Indian nationals who are aging below 18 to 30, they need a level 6 qualification, and they also need to meet the health and character requirements, obtain a PCC and medicals, and they need to have at least 3 years of work experience. So each category, like I said, for temporary Tier 5 temporary work visa have unique eligibility requirements. So if you have any queries, our immigration team can assist you with assessing your profile and also also letting you know that whether you meet the eligibility requirements for this tier 5 temporary work visa. So under the video description, what I'll do is I'll leave an email, and also if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. Then I'll definitely get back to you or all comments. So we have discussed about the different visas, and we also have discussed about the eligibility requirements. Now I'm going to talk about how to apply for the tier 5 temporary work visa. So applications for a tier 5 temporary work visa made online unless you're applying from the North Korea. So North Korea, the visa requirements are definitely going to be different. So if you're already in the United Kingdom, you can only extend or switch to this visa. You'll be required to pay the healthcare surcharge as part of your application. Along with the application fee, we will also guide you through every step, and the documents that you need to provide with your visa application for the temporary work visa tier 5. You'll need to provide the following documents, like, and this list is not very exhaustive, it's very limited documents, like a passport, valid passport, or a travel document, and the bank statements showing that you have required funds to maintain your stay while you're living in United Kingdom, and also the results of the tuberculosis test. So you should be mindful that each category of the tier 5 temporary work visa requires a different supporting documents, and we'll be able to assist you with collating these and submitting them correct. So the advantages of the tier 5 temporary work visa, this tier 5 temporary work visa provides an opportunity for people to enter the United Kingdom on a short-term basis. It's highly valuable to employers who wish to take advantage of the global mobility and talent on a temporary basis. It is especially useful if international talent is required for a short-term project. So if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any queries, please drop an email or leave your comment. I will definitely get back to you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.